Most people just plug in any charger until their battery degrades or charges weirdly. But in this video, I'll guide you on how to charge your DJI Pocket 3, 2, or 1. So let's charge it properly. Use the USB-C or USB-C cable that came with your Pocket 3. The Pocket 3 does not come with a wall charger. For the fastest charging speed, you need a USB-C power adapter that supports the power delivery PD protocol and has an output of 30 watts or higher. You can use any standard USB-C charger, but a lower wattage like a 20 watts phone charger will result in slower charging times. So plug the USB-C cable into the port at the bottom of the Pocket C. Then connect the other end to your PD compatible wall charger or power bank. Now the screen will display the current battery level. For example, the Pocket 3 will charge your phone from 0% to 80% in approximately 16 minutes and 0% to 100% in approximately 32 minutes. Actually, these times are based on DJI lab tests, but if you have the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle, which is included in the Creator Combo, then attach with the Pocket 3 from the bottom port. Now plug the USB-C cable on the back of the battery handle. Now the screen will display the both battery levels. The Pocket 3 and the battery handle together takes approximately 70 to 90 minutes to reach 100%, depending on the charger. Once the camera is fully charged, the handle continues to charge its own internal battery. And that's how you can charge DJI Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.